Are you ready to unlock your best self? In this video, I'll reveal 3 game-changing secrets to rebuilding habits fast. First, it's all about prescience, your ability to plan and visualize your success before you act. When you mentally prepare for your goals, the actions that follow become much easier. Start each day by imagining yourself succeeding. Visualizing your goals creates clarity and motivation. Next, change your environment to set yourself up for success. Your surroundings heavily influence your habits. Remove distractions and temptations. Want to eat healthier? Stock your kitchen with nutritious foods. Want to be productive? Create a tidy, focused workspace. Finally, celebrate the small wins along the way. Habit reformation takes time, so recognize and reward your progress. Whether it's waking up on time or finishing a task, celebrating milestones keeps your motivation high and builds positive momentum. Now that you know the 3 secrets to habit reformation: prescience, changing your environment, and celebrating milestones, it's time to take action. Start applying these tips today and watch your habits transform. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your habit-building journey in the comments below.